Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we're working on the Camaro again. We're going to tackle a few of my problems I've had since I've done the motor swap, put the FI Tech unit in, and deleted a bunch of smog stuff. The issues with my gauge are as follows. I do not have a readable level for my gas, so my gas tank, I never know if it's full or empty. That doesn't work. My my tack issue, everyone has that tack issue. I have to fix that. My speedo gauge works when it wants to. It kind of goes up, goes down. There's something wrong with that too. And the thing that we're looking at today is my oil pressure sending unit. So let's go ahead and deep dive into that. First things first, locating the actual oil pressure sending unit, and it is on the driver's side, and you can see it right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to ground out the lead, and it should make my gauge go all the way up. So if that does happen, that usually means the wiring's okay, and it's the unit itself. I mean, we've all gotten bad parts from the store before, so let's test it out. I'll walk you through that process. All right, well that worked, as in it's probably a bad sending unit. This gauge went all the way up. This one right here. When I disconnect it, let's turn it on. The thing that worries me is when I went to unplug it, the whole plastic shroud came off. So I think it could be the whole oil pressure sending unit. So let's hook it back up, turn the car on, see what happens. Let's turn the car on and see what happens. I think the gauge will go ahead and reset itself. So, let's see what happens. So I did some more research. I think I'm just gonna replace the oil pressure sending unit and put a new one on. They're not that expensive. So I'll remove the one that I have that is new, that has never worked. Go get a new one. I think the problem is there's two different parts for it, and I may have gotten the wrong one. Or if you saw how that cap came off, it was just bad and broken in the first place. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that one, and then go get one and put it on. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Later. This is the oil pressure sending unit. You saw that I used some channel locks to get it off with. And so you know, all the oil is in the pan. You would not have any oil leaking out, especially when you have the car up like this, oil tilting that way, so you wouldn't see oil coming out. Let's look at this thing a little better. This thing popped right off. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen. I wish I had the part number on this thing, but I don't. Well, that was somewhat of a bust. The place I went did not have the AC Delco one. I don't even know if this one's even AC Delco, but they said they could order it. It'd be a couple days, but it was $84. So I went online and I looked at Amazon. It was $38. So I ordered the Amazon one. My new part will be here next week. I am gonna post this video beforehand just to kind of keep the time down low. And I also want to hear you guys' feedback on if you think this will fix the issue or if you think it's another issue. Who knows? I'm gonna set this one back in there so I don't have any contaminants get in my oil. I should have this fixed next week. So look for our next video in the next couple of days for the full resolution for the oil pressure sending unit issue. And then my next video, I'm planning on working on my fuel gauge, which is not telling me how much fuel I have in here. That's a big pain in the butt. Always having to get gas every time you take it out. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And there's a lot more to come. I have so much to do on this car, and I have these beasts to work on too. If you guys want to see content on that, just let me know. Or if you have suggestions on what I can work on this car, let me know. Anyway, until next time, have a good one.